Howdy guys, Johnny with Earmark. I've got a 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser that we just protected with the IGLA Pin to Drive system. If I put my foot on the brake and press the start button, vehicle fires right up. If we shift it, engine shuts down. I'm going to go ahead and try to restart it. Nothing happens there. To be able to drive this vehicle, we have to press a unique combination of factory controls that is selected by the customer. Right now, we've got a default one that we used on the steering wheel here. Those two beeps and flashes just told us that we can now drive the vehicle. This system allows you to not have to think about your security. Turn the vehicle off. You don't even have to lock the vehicle. Try to restart it and drive off. Shuts down every time. Enter our PIN code again. Start it and drive right off. Come by in person and check out how the IGLA can protect your vehicle. Multiple of our vehicles here have it, and we can demonstrate it to you firsthand. If you have any questions about how we can protect your vehicle, give us a call or text 972-612-6886.